recently went through an existential depression. I felt lost and purposeless because I was living inauthentically, and throughout this video, I want to tell you a little bit about me and my current stage of life. I was working a 9 to 5, was a textbook people pleaser, and was allowing the fear of failure to keep me exactly where I was. I felt stuck, and only through developing a keen sense of self awareness was I able to control my mind and not have my mind control me. Alright, final look. I have this top that I got from like a Depop shop like forever ago. I'm wearing this slip skirt that is high-key see-through, and I'm wearing my favorite 70s boots. They are so cute. I'm not perfect, and a healing journey is not linear, but I've made a devotion to my soul and self to never let fear make my decisions for me again. So I quit my 9 to 5 to find a way to let my creativity guide me and eventually pay my bills. I don't know what my future holds, and I'm allowing that to be a thing of beauty rather than a thing of terror, which is what it was for the majority of my life. Smoking a roach, poor girl probs. I stand for living a life of dreams, living wildly and taking risks, creating art and creating experience. And I felt like such a fucking fraud for so long because I'd go home and look in the mirror and all I could see was the cage that I trapped myself in, living in a dead-end small town with even smaller-minded people my entire life. And I don't want to trap myself here or at any job that stifles my ability to grow. It's June in Florida, so the minute I step outside, say goodbye to this supermodel hair. So I think I'm just gonna do like braids today. Kitty kitty. Oh, you greeting them? I hope to create this channel as a safe space for me, a visual diary, and a place for you to go when you need inspiration or simply need a friend. And I always want to promote what I believe in, which is completely wild and unapologetic freedom.